I live in my sacred space of my heart. The wisdom will flow. Hello and good morning, beautiful people, beautiful light that you are. The divine alignment. This is our message for us today. This is a beautiful card from the oracle cards. Remember who you are, and comes in with embedded symbol of the heart, truth, love, harmony. Let's tune in. You can use this symbol, this oracle card, for meditation. The divine alignment, when you're in alignment, the equilibrium, the balance from body, mind and spirit allows the flow of the divine messages coming into your heart, coming into messages through inspiration, ideas, no blocks, no limitations. So much love and light enters your well-being, unfolding, expanding and radiating from the center of your wellness that you are. Work with this symbol when you find that you're a little bit off and not balanced. Center yourself back. This is a message for you today. Center yourself back in this beautiful message, the Holy Trinity, divine messages. You are light. You radiate light. You are a messenger and part of the wholeness that we are all in oneness. Today seek and find the answers from your heart that shines so bright. You can use the affirmation, I am in my sacred space of my heart. I choose the truth that comes and lives in my heart. Have a beautiful day and see you soon.